Game initializing. Select a body. Select gender, color, body type, and base location. Stage 1. Resetting data. Memory cleared. Collecting energy and attaining a form. Welcome, gamer, to the ultimate game of existence. As you embark on this thrilling, immersive journey, you'll get to experience life as it truly is. An extraordinary, ever-evolving adventure. Ready to dive into this grand adventure? Behold, player, the vibrant modern world whirling around you with its lightning-speed lifestyle and a ceaseless influx of technological wonders. Feel a bit dazed? Don't worry, this game also serves as a reminder of our ultimate home, nature. Regardless of the high-tech marvels you'll encounter, remember nature's essence resides within us and surrounds us. It's a continuous, comforting presence, breathing life into everything. This game beats to an eternal rhythm: birth, growth, decay, and rebirth. No matter the circumstances, you persist, transitioning from one stage to another, ever-changing, much like leveling up. Every stage has its unique charm and purpose, akin to the ebb and flow of seasons, from summer's warmth fading into autumn to winter's chill surrendering to the vibrancy of spring. They all balance each other out, just as each chapter of our lives does. A moment of patience, player. Every level, every challenge you face takes time to overcome. A seed doesn't transform into a tree in a blink of an eye. It needs time, sunlight, water, and nutrients. Similarly, your personal growth in this game can't be fast-tracked. Listen, player. The whispering silence in the rustle of leaves, the silent clouds wandering across the sky, the still surface of a tranquil lake. Slow down. Savor these moments of peace. Use them as your save points. Meditate, observe, and regain your strength before the next level. Congratulations, you've unlocked consciousness. This isn't just a function of your character's brain, but the very core of its existence. This is your Atman, the soul, the real player behind the screen. Your key to attaining the ultimate level, Moksha, where your game character dissolves, leaving only consciousness, a state of peaceful eternity, which is your character's true nature. Interestingly, while the mainstream understanding often views consciousness as a byproduct of the brain, many scholars and scientists are exploring an exciting possibility: that consciousness could be a fundamental aspect of the universe, just like space and time. With this understanding, player, your gameplay can change. Foster unity, compassion, and love for all characters, understanding that there is an underlying oneness in this game. In the grand language of the game, it said, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Remember, you are more than your physical form in the game. You're not the body, mind, or ego of your character, but the eternal Atman. When everything else in the game is stripped away, only Atman remains. Your ultimate goal, player, to become one with the universe itself, can be achieved by understanding your Atman, overcoming the illusion of separation, Maya, and breaking the cycle of Samsara. Fun fact: in the ancient scripts of the game, enlightened characters known as Rishis declared this reality to be the source of the game universe. They called it Brahman, the foundation of existence, but they also warned about trying to grasp this profound concept too quickly. The journey is as enlightening as the destination. Watch out, player. Here are the adversaries: organizations, society beliefs, and restrictions. They work to engineer desires for more wealth, fashion, luxury, status. But the true reward in the game lies in the realization that we can't really possess anything. So here you are, player, at the brink of an enlightening victory. The game, for what it truly is, an exciting, intricate dance between you and the universe. Through this dance, you realize that we are not separate entities, but integral parts of the universe. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the visible, the tangible? Let's dive into the microscopic realms of the game. As you zoom in using the electron microscope power-up, you discover that boundaries blur between your character and the universe. The skin, the final frontier of your character, appears porous and constantly interacting with the world around. Remember, player, our characters perceive only a tiny fraction of the game's full spectrum, a limited slice of light, an even smaller section of sound. Imagine, if you will, seeing and hearing the entire spectrum. The universe then would seem vastly different, vibrant, pulsating, interconnected, a dazzling ocean of energy, a symphony of existence. Look around, player. You are a part of this beautiful tapestry of life. There's a profound interconnectedness in our game world, a unity that may seem invisible yet is palpably present. The rivers, mountains, animals, stars, your character, every other player are all interconnected. One subtle movement can create ripples across this cosmic sea. In this boundless unity lies a crucial distinction between loneliness and aloneness. Loneliness, a state of perceived separation, triggers suffering in the game, whereas aloneness, the realization of your unique place in the universe, leads to a profound understanding. Recognizing others as yourself is the outcome of true aloneness, and it's a potent power-up in the game. This game is what you are playing right now. Each one of us is a player, maneuvering through this grand cosmic game. This isn't just a pastime, but the most profound reality of our existence. Congratulations, player. Your awareness of this truth is a bonus many are yet to unlock. You are not merely a bystander in this game, but a co-creator of your reality. Use this wisdom as you progress through the game. Embrace the journey, the joy, and the challenge it presents. Remember, this is not the end, but merely a new beginning in your adventure. Equipped with this profound understanding, venture forth in this extraordinary journey. Continue the game, player, knowing that you are an integral part of this extraordinary cosmic play. Take care until next time.